So this is my discovery. Now that I am in my middle age, I love sweets already. I'm craving for chocolates, bread, cakes, but I don't know if I will love pasta too. I'm into rice and then to salty dishes like fish, saute, gisa-gisa like that, and vegetables and meat, any kind of meat that is the taste is savory, tasty. Oh my god, that's so lovely for me. That's so beautiful and alive for me. So yeah, donut, simple donut, just mm, uh, mm, mm. Bye.